Ghetto Fabulous basically means you're supposed to be from the ghetto.
Ghetto Fabulous.
Ghetto Fabulous, apart from Zola, I could say it's big.
Hey, that is right.
Yeah. So this is the menu.
The menu is.
This is the menu. So
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Welcome to All Things Talk and everything else in between. Shasho, Mukbang, and we are here at Force Airport. We are about to actually hit the streets. And lots of people basically would keep finding it Ghetto Fabulous. Yeah? What's so ghetto and what's so fabulous about your hood? So we are about to actually ask people to share a street interview, guys. We asking the people basically keep finding Makasana. So Ghetto Fabulous campaign, here we go.
yeah. Follow us on the socials. Subscribe to our channel.
It's All Things Talk and everything else in between.
So then simply gives us an opportunity to
I mean, Joe, I was born and raised in Soweto, Joe. Yeah,
Yeah.
So, but now I stay here more for because my family, they bought a house.
I was already forced though. I say.
Then when I was a sleeping.
Master.
Okay.
Book the J, the producer. Actually, yeah, arts. I could say most people that are in the arts are from Boston. Little mention, you know, respect. Yeah, you know, normal people. You know, it's just like I like that. I like that.
Hey, fella, since we've been going around asking people about Ghetto Fabulous, what it means to be Ghetto Fabulous and so forth, we thought, how's about we do lunch in the ghetto? So we got Togoza and Vicky's kitchen, and then we're gonna be reviewing her gotas, but just side note, in that I think to the team, let us try the gotas because I've tried it before, it's delicious, and then we'll see their review. This is All Things Talk
And everything else in between.
Yeah. So this is the menu.
The menu in.
This is the menu. So lebata eng?
Vikeza.
This one is nice. It's 32 rand one. Cheese, bologna, cheese. Yeah? You don't want bologna?
Nagi bata yona maraka acha.
Cool. So 332, one without bologna, no sauce, one catch. Yeah.
1 hour later.
Oh, I see that. And some guys give you one.
Oh, yeah.
The chairs on the floor.
Ooh, look at that. Okay, so what the hell in anything? It's got Russian, it's got Vienna, special cheese, and the crispy crumbs. Archer sauce. Yeah, mine got archer sauce. What? Where's the archer? There's archer. Where? There. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it.
And then ninja haina. Haina archer.
Okay, guys. So mine and Nona's is the same.
the bread is so fresh. 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 Okay.
Is a color. I'm so hungry. Yes.
The last time we fried the chips. Wow. It's really nice. It was nice. And so, like, you don't even taste the oil of the chips.
I'm not oily, I'm actually
Nothing.
It's good.
No.
Ninja, how's your?
Put that like
Yan
this.
kung di sa pati doon.
Sunshine.
Parang mas back.
This back.
Tapos yung buya.
Yo.
Back. Ay, minengaya.
Ang
Back.
Kasi press.
Like a burger.
Surprise, no?
Like a burger.
Okay.
Yaba wutin sanitation ka mapera. Kaya dito ka usuki siya.
Okay, your thing.
That's why sila magkaso nila mapalo ni fridge. Kasi yung buya mapalo.
Imagine it.
Really, man, I'm so clean.
Nakatawin. Hindi balil. Pizza.
Everything is good here. I can't complain about anything. The special setting, it's quality special. The Russian is good. The biryani is good.
Yeah. Yeah. As long as we have the same.
Okay, guys,
Who's
I'll
the movie
review.
on record?
What's the ban?
I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because my chips are crispy, but a little bit raw in the inside. So I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Mine is perfectly done.
Yo, the sausages, guys, that quality.
This is us at Vicky's Kitchen. Danko.
So make sure to actually hit that subscribe button, like, and join the notification gang by hitting that bell, guys. This is All Things Talk and everything else in between.